Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I started decorating. I'm looking for my old Halloween decoration. Found my roses with eyeballs. Perfect for Hocus Pocus theme. The rats. I put the candy jar in the corner. You'll see everything when it's put together because right now I have a mess. A bunch of mess. I found my wood poison that I bought last year. I found stuff that I haven't even opened, so I'm gonna open and see what's in the box. Crazy. I think I got those on special when Halloween passed, and I wasn't gonna use them until this Halloween, so I have no idea what it is, but I have a mess. Let me show you the I found 4 boxes right here, brand new. I found the mesh to make it more spooky, my pumpkin that I had from last year, my little witch. I started putting stuff already up. What else I got? Bunch of stuff here and here. I'm getting overwhelmed. I don't even know how to put it. So I think it's gonna take me like at least 2 to 3 days to put everything together. I already put the cat in the corner with the Hocus Pocus. Here in the wall, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm playing around with it still. I still have a bunch of stuff that I found here. Pumpkins over here. These pumpkins are for the couches. Those are like pumpkin pillows. More stuff here. I found the brand new pillow that I got last year. So I found 4 boxes and this brand new. I already put the covers on the pillow for the couch. I found my cutie baby doll that I had last year. I put the skeleton in the cauldron. I'm not sure what to do with that still. Gotta fix the table here. And I started putting the table together, but still trying to see how it's gonna stay, what I'm gonna do. I started with a tier tray as well, but I'm probably gonna still play around with it, move things around. I have all these pumpkins. I'm keeping this here because that still goes with the theme. Right here, it's a mess. I'm getting really overwhelmed. But let me get to it. Well, let me show you what I got in the box because I have no idea what I have in these boxes. What I got last year. Let me open it. Oh, and I found these crows. That was brand new as well. So I found one, 2, 3, 4, 5 stuff. I found 5 stuffs that are brand new. And that's a great shopping. OMG, look how cute. I got a trick or treat sign, brand new. And I know I bought this in special last year. It must be there. So I think I'm gonna put this on top of the stove. Does it fit? Yes, it does. And I'll take that out and put this there. Nice. Let's see what the other box has. And this small box, which was new as well. I think this is for pumpkin. Yes, it is. To carve the pumpkin. The tools. Oh, this one came out of here. So I got that. I need to get a pumpkin so I could do that with Brendan. And these are good quality ones, not the cheap ones. I guess that's why I got it, because I got the cheap ones that you pay like $2 or something. But these are good quality. And let's check the other box. Oh my god, I don't even remember none of this. Look how cool. And this definitely goes with the Hocus Pocus theme. This moves. My husband always saying, I have stuff everywhere. Does this have battery? No. No, I gotta put batteries, but it moves. I gotta put batteries and show you guys. Oh, cool. And this one is a nice size box. I wonder what is in here, because I truly do not remember. I totally forgot about this. I just found the box that said Halloween. So all these new stuff, and then my old decoration from last year. So look at that unboxing video. I have no idea what this is. Ceramic. Oh, a little Halloween. It's like a Halloween tree for cookies. Yes, it is. Oh my God, how cute is this? Let me take this out. Look how nice a cookie jar. This is super cute. I gotta buy cookies and candy. And it goes with a Hocus Pocus theme as well. Oh, look at it suction in. Nice. So look at that. Not bad. Alright, I think I'll be done with this video. Just me getting started. See what I'm gonna do with everything else. Alright guys. See you in the next video. Hope you guys have a great Saturday.